Assalamualaikum. आज मैंने एक बहुत TikTok viral recipe बनाई है और वो है cloud bread. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to your video. Today I have made a TikTok viral recipe and that is cloud bread. And if you want to know the recipe, keep on watching the video. एक tip मेरे पास है, actually दो tips, और वो है कि जब आप ये रेसिपी बनाएं तो आप इसको जब आपकी बैटर फ्लफ हो जाए आपने इसको डायरेक्टली ओवन की तरफ जाना है वरना it won't stay fluffy and it'll just like deflate and you don't want that. So a pro tip that I have, two pro tips actually, is that number one is that after you've fluffed your egg whites along with other ingredients, you have to directly bake it. Don't like make the batter, do something else, come back, because all the fluffiness that's there, it'll just disappear, it'll just like go away and it'll deflate and you don't want that. And number two, आपको क्या करना है कि as soon as you've baked it, dig in, start eating it, or else you won't have that fluffiness left and all the magic of the cloud bread will be gone and you don't want that. So those are the two pro tips. Now let's get on to the recipe. This magical recipe, we're going to be needing 3 egg whites. हमें चाहिए 3 egg whites, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon sugar, 2 tablespoons plus 1 teaspoon of sugar, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon of corn flour, 1 tablespoon plus 1 teaspoon corn flour, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 2 to 3 drops of blue food coloring, and 2 to 3 drops of blue food coloring, but that's optional. पहले हम अपने egg whites को whisk करेंगे. मैं अपने electric hand mixer से कर रही हूँ मगर आप हाथ से भी कर सकते हैं. First, we're going to whisk our eggs. I'm doing it with a machine, but you can do it with a whisk if you don't have one. Now that that's done, we are going to add in the rest of our ingredients, the sugar, corn flour, vanilla extract. We're going to hold on to the food coloring till later. अब मैं अपने बाकी के ingredients डालूंगी जो है sugar, corn flour और vanilla extract, मगर food coloring हम end में डालेंगे. Now that it's fluffed, we're gonna add in our food coloring. अब ये fluff हो गया, अब मैं इसमें food coloring डाल रही हूँ. I'm going to butter my pan. अब मैं अपने butter करूँगी pan को. I'm going to take my batter, put it in the center of my pan, and smooth it out like a dome. अब मैं अपने batter को निकाल के pan के बीच में डालूंगी और फिर इसको dome की तरह smooth करूँगी. Now that's done, we're going to bake it for 20 minutes. अब मैं इसको 20 minutes के लिए bake कर रही हूँ. And now let's take it out. I'm so excited. Cloud bread is ready and it looks amazing. And now let's break it in half. So fluffy. 3. Oh, it looks so good. It's hot. Oh, look at that. There you have it. It is ready. It looks amazing. It's super fluffy and you guys should definitely try this recipe. If you like this recipe, tell me in the comments down below and give this video a big thumbs up. Please like, subscribe and share my videos and go follow me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok and Twitter. Bye! हमारी तैयार हो गया और ये बहुत फ्लफी है. अगर ये आपको रेसिपी अच्छी लगी और अगर आप ये ट्राई करें, आप मुझे नीचे कमेंट्स में बताएं और इस वीडियो को बिग थम्स अप दें. आप मेरे वीडियोस को लाइक, सब्सक्राइब और शेयर करें और मुझे इंस्टाग्राम, फेसबुक, टिकटॉक और ट्विटर पर फॉलो करें. बाय.